comfortable using LinkedIn. To make your LinkedIn feed more interesting very quickly, I recommend that you start following some influential people. People like Bill Gates or Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, for example. Those are just possibilities, but there's a wide range of options that you can choose from. So in order to do this, you need to click on My Network. That's down at the bottom of your LinkedIn mobile app. You can see it over on the side of the screen here. So when you click on My Network, you're going to get lots of suggestions from LinkedIn. First of all, on individuals who you could follow, but then LinkedIn will also suggest possible pages that you could follow, or maybe organizations. So have a look through, see if there's any that interest you, and click on a few, and you'll start learning more about what they're writing about. And there are opportunities there for you to like or comment or share based on what your interests are. And as you do this, you're gonna, of course, be asserting your individual self. But to start really connecting with other individuals, one of the best places is groups. It is really great to join groups on LinkedIn, and this is a place where the size of the group is probably a bit smaller. You can make a comment and interact with people more quickly, and it's quite interesting to join a group on LinkedIn. So I'm going to talk more about that in my next episode, and I'm going to invite you to join a group that I started just for people who are watching this Getting Comfortable with LinkedIn series. So please join me for the next episode. I'm Gwen Polakowski. This has been Getting Comfortable with LinkedIn. I'll see you soon.